gonna try this out. I don't have any treats or anything to give her, so we'll see if she takes my love and affection. Oh, come on, come on, come on. Yep. Good girl, good girl. Alright, so I planned on hanging out and Alice just jumped on my lap. She's like covered in ticks. So we're gonna go back to the van and deal with that. We're here at Petco. And we just got groomed. Look at you, you're so pretty. She just had a treat. They gave her a little bandana. You're so pretty, Alice. And they pulled 5 more ticks off of her. So I'm glad that I got that. I am not vibing in New York. Like, all day it's been wild. Since I'm in kind of standstill traffic, I'm gonna blog about it. Yeah. Yesterday I didn't do much. We went to the dog park. I don't know. I just don't vibe in New York. It's just, I don't know how else to explain it. Like, I just don't get along well here. They don't allow like overnight camping in a lot of places. Rest stops don't even allow it. They only allow you to stay like 2 hours. Yeah. On top of that, I'm also depressed. Like, depression just doesn't go away, but like, I think the contrast of like, the idea of like, I should be happy. I'm doing things that are like, logically should make me happy, but I'm over here sad about it. Going to Sleepy Hollow. Hopefully, I can somewhat enjoy it. I've literally been holding out all week, trying to like, wait for a day where I'm like, good enough to like, be happy there. Whatever. Happiness is relative. I guess I'm just gonna go and see what's up, you know? Alright. So, yeah. Ironically, when I'm the most depressed, that's when I do the most living. Because I'm actively trying to live. What's a throughway? And what's that bridge? What's happening? Where am I? But look at this bridge. This is dope. So, Sleepy Hollow is one of my all-time favorite legends. Like, I used to have it, like, read on a cassette tape as a kid. And it was my favorite cassette tape. And it was super chilling. I showed it to all my friends. I used to listen to it like almost daily. Like, most kids are obsessed with like Disney or whatever. I was obsessed with Sleepy Hollow and the Headless Horseman. I even wrote parodies. I remember as a kid I wrote like a short story with one of my childhood friends, the Headless Ghostman. But yeah, I'm stoked. I'm stuck in school traffic right now. All the school traffic. Smells like coffee. Coffee funeral home. Alright, holy crap, y'all. This is cool. This is the coolest cemetery I've ever been in. I was thoroughly unprepared. No wonder this place captures, like, the imagination of horror. These mausoleums are incredible. This is awesome. Look at new life taking over old life. There's definitely some tombstones under that. That's crazy.